Good morning once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hansel, turn on your camera. Bhakti, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, Bhakti was not answering in the EVS class also.
So, who is her camera was also off?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Bhakti,
ma'am.
please can you talk?
And her mic also.
But if your camera is not working, can you turn on your mic and speak? Bhakti, there is no issue of with the camera. Turn on your mic and speak. Or write in the chat box why it is happening. I will wait 1 or 2 minutes, then I'll start the class. Take out your notebooks, everyone. We will discuss the same concept as we were doing in the last class about the post office. How the post office charge the money when we send.
Ma'am, we have to take out textbook also.
Yes, we have to take out textbook also. We have to take out notebook also. Textbook page number 145.
Ma'am, 145, na?
Yes. About how the post office charge money when you send the parcel. We have done some few examples in the class also yesterday with the students, those who were offline, and those who were online. We'll explain them again from the beginning. So please pay attention. Okay. Page number 145. The first situation is given that look at the postal rates given in the chart. How much will you have to pay for the stamps on the letter wing? Anna, please come back to your place. It is a new topic. Kavisha, you were there, not there. So please, Rishik, Kavisha, those who were not there in the offline, those who were there in the online yesterday. So now this is a new concept for them. How the post office charge money from us when we send the let. When we send a parcel, they charge some extra money from us on the basis of the weight of the parcel. So, for example, the weight of the parcel is according to the list which is given up. According to the list which is given up, postal rates, उसमें letter weighing के rates are given to you. No need to write right now, which is I'm just explaining you. So don't write letter weighing. The condition is if your letter weight is 20 grams or less than 20 grams or less than 20 grams. Suppose if your letter weighs is 8 grams. So how much price you will pay? How much amount you will pay? Yes, Dev.
And we will pay 5 rupees.
5 rupees because 20 grams or less than 20 grams is it 5 rupees and rupee sign is this. Okay. But the second condition is saying if it is additional with the 20 grams, for every additional 20 grams, for every additional 20 grams, 20 grams, it is paying rupees 2.
2
Okay.
rupees.
Suppose your weight is 35. Parcel weight is 35. Kiana, you also were not there in the offline class yesterday. Please pay attention. This is very important topic. And this is little new topic also for you. That when we send a parcel through the post office, they charge some money on the basis of the weight. Okay. And on the basis of the weight, how they charge. Hansel, please come back to your place. There is the list given on the every post office. There it is different. State to state also it is different. Ahana, turn on your camera, please. Janya, you are late in the class. Will not be accepted when now in the online classes, please. Turn on your camera, Janya, and sit in the class. So these are the two conditions. First condition is 20 gram or less than 20 gram if your weight is. So you have to pay according to rupees 5. If your weight is more than 20 grams, so you have to pay on the additional according to the additional charges. Suppose the weight of the parcel is 35 grams. 35 grams. So how much you have to pay? Yes, Deer. Deer, please turn on your mic and tell.
Then we have to pay 5 rupees because the condition is parcel weighing 50 grams or less equals to 5.
No. This is the weight of the letter, not the parcel. Letter wali condition पढ़ो. Weight of the letter.
Letter waiting.
Ma'am, it will be 5. It will be 2 rupees.
5 rupees or the 2 rupees or what?
Ma'am, 2 rupees.
Ma'am,
No.
2 rupees.
How? 35 grams is the total weight. So
Ma'am, 5
on 20 grams, 35 is the total. On the first 20 grams, it will be 5 rupees. 35 minus 20 is 15. On the next additional, it is will be 2 rupees. So total you have to pay 7 rupees. Got it?
5 plus 2, 7.
For the first 20 grams, जो 20 grams है वहां तक तो they have to pay 5 rupees. के बाद additional price पे they have to pay 2 rupees. Suppose it is 60 grams.
60 grams.
So first 20 they have to pay 5. Now the 60 minus 20 is 40.
Ma'am, 40.
Then again on the next 20 he has to pay rupees 2. Then again 20 is remaining and the remaining 20 also according to the second condition. Only the first 20 will be 5 rupees and the next you are finding will be according to the next condition. Am I clear?
Yes,
Any doubt to any child? Now I am giving you one question to solve in your notebook. Open your notebook, write today's date, write the topic. Write today's date fast.
Ma'am,
Yes.
yesterday I was online, so you have teach that 21. So I
So
can't.
now I'm explaining more than 20. That's the reason I have repeated. So the question is.
of the year.
Yeah. Last
Today
day.
is the last day of the year.
Yes, last day of the year.
Our school is closed and last day of the year also.
So you write letter weighing. Letter weighing 85 grams. First condition is 10 grams or
Ma'am, yesterday
less than 10 grams, rupees 10 grams or less than
3.
or less than 10 grams, rupees 3.
And 3.5.
3 I'm taking. And the next is for every additional 10 grams, for every additional 10 grams, rupees is 2 rupees. Solve this now and tell me how much price you will pay for this parcel. From 85, first you subtract 10 according to the first condition, and that will be charged as rupees 3. Up now it is 85 minus 10 is, first you note down the question everyone, then I will explain you the answer.
Ma'am, I have note.
Done? Let everyone copy.
But offline students can solve.
Ma'am, note.
Everyone will copy, everyone, because this is new condition and new question.
Ma'am, what's after weight?
Letter weighing where? 85 grams. First condition is 10 grams or less than 10 grams, rupees 3. For every additional 10 grams, rupees 2.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, count the answer. Ma'am, can I see the answer?
Hmm.
Ma'am, 19.
Now, let everyone solve this.
Ma'am, I got 19 rupees.
You got?
Yes, ma'am, 19 rupees. Ma'am, 19.
Okay, let me check. Everyone completed this writing part? Hit Kasodia, please turn on your camera.
Ma'am, my camera is not working in.
Okay. And why you have not attended the classes offline?
Ma'am, I have gone somewhere and I have some issues in my health. So I am
Okay.
going in hospital.
Take care.
Ma'am, I cannot write a total. So can I write using a different sum, the total rupees?
Different what? Different page.
Yes.
Yeah, you can use the new page also.
Ma'am, we have to write this in notebook.
Till now you are not writing. I already announced, copy down this question, then we will go on the solution. Everyone is writing, I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm done.
Yes, ma'am, written.
17 rupees.
Can I erase this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the answer is 17 rupees.
Let me check.
No, ma'am, it's 19.
So let me check now. Can I erase it from the top?
Yes, ma'am.
First 10 grams or less than 10 grams, you have to pay rupees 3. So it is 85 minus 10. On this, you have to pay rupees 3. So it is 75 remaining. Now, on the remaining ones, you have to do according to the second condition. That is rupees 2. So next minus 10. Here also rupees 2. Remaining is 65. Now keep on subtracting rupees 2 according to the second condition. Now remaining is 55.
55. 2. Ma'am, 50.
Again 45, then it will be 2.
2.
Again, when you subtract 10, you will have remaining 35, 2. So from 35, when you subtract 10, it will be 25, and this is rupees 2.
2.
Subtract 10, you have 2, and the remaining is 15. Then again subtract 10,
6.
it is 5. And on this 5 also you have to pay rupees 2 according to the second condition.
Ma'am, 50.
So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 rupees. You have to pay on this parcel.
Yes, ma'am, I got it right.
19 rupees is coming. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I give you one more sum to practice?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is 17.
19. Yes. I'm going to erase this.
Ma'am, what is written that 45 minus 10 and down
45
35
minus
now?
10 will be 35.
Yes. Ma'am, you can write second.
I can write.
You can draw.
Can I erase this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now I'm going to give you one question based on the parcel. This is the letter, right? Now there is some parcel you want to send somewhere through the post office, and post office charges the amount on the basis of the weight. Same calculation will do, same method, change. Word only change at the place of the parcel. Only the thing is coming that parcel will be more higher compared to the letter.
ma'am, your noise is so fast.
Only the difference will come in the that your parcel will be more heavier compared to the letter.
Letters.
Thoda sa, but it can be small also, depend on the size or the weight of the parcel.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I erase?
Yes, ma'am, you can erase.
Now write the next question, question number 2. Draw a line after this sum. Parcel weighing. Now here I am using the word parcel. Parcel
Question
weighing.
is taking full page only.
Parcel weighing 200 grams. First condition is 50 grams or less than 50 grams. You have to pay rupees 5. And the second condition, after 50 grams, for every additional 50 grams,
3 rupees.
additional 50 grams, rupees 3.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Huh.
Ma'am, what is the price for 50 grams or less than 50 grams?
Rupees 5.
Okay.
It is not visible clearly.
No, ma'am, it is clear only.
No. Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
In this, we have to use the same method which we
Same
were.
pattern. There
Okay.
we were subtracting the whatever is given here. You have to subtract the first 50 from the 200 gram. When you subtract first 50, what is remaining?
Ma'am, the answer will be 14.
Let's find out.
Ma'am, I know this. My father just gave me this sum when I was revising.
Okay. Prepare yourself for Monday. I'm going to take the
Ma'am,
CD
what
of this
is after
chapter.
50 grams?
After 50 grams or less than.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
What is after for every additional 50 grams? What is the
Rupees
price?
3. Rupees 3. So can I do the solution now? Can I erase it? Children, I'm going to erase this now. Varanya, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Varanya, Varisha is not there in the class today.
No, ma'am, we are.
Where is she?
She must.
Ma'am, I'm there.
With the another device. Ah, she's there. She's there.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the answer is 14.
Those who are giving the answer 14. Right. Very good. Excellent.
Ma'am, it's correct. It's 14.
Yes, correct. How you calculated, Varina? Can you
Yes.
explain me?
Ma'am, now your camera is blurred.
It will come within 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay.
Sometime maybe network issue from my side and maybe your side. Within 1 or 2 minutes will be perfect.
Yes, ma'am. I also got the
I'm going to
answer.
erase this now. So as it was 200 total, on the first 50 grams, you have to charge according to rupees 5. Subtract the remaining is 150 grams. Now on the remaining ones, you have to charge according to the next condition. Okay. So minus 50 and charge rupees 3, which is according to the next condition. Now it is rupees 100 with you. Subtract 50, then also you have to charge according to the second condition, which is rupees 3. Remaining is 50, subtract 50 and charge according to the second condition, which is rupees 3. Only on the first condition will apply on the first 50. Remaining will be applied with the next second condition. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is the rupees 14 will be charged for the parcel weighing 200 grams. Any doubt to any child? Kavisha, you understood the concept?
Ma'am, yes, no doubt.
Any doubt in this concept?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Just remember that first will be charged with the first condition and the remaining will be charged according to the second condition.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I could not understand that 100 minus 50. How it will be 50?
100 minus 50 is 50. My
No.
dear. Then
Ma'am, here you have written now.
100 minus 50 is remaining 50. And that remaining 50 will be charged as 50.
Yes, ma'am.
Subtract, you will 50 subtract, no, will be nothing. 50 में से 50 subtract किया.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I go to
Ma'am.
washroom?
Yes,
Ma'am,
please.
she is asking why you had not added 3 at last one.
I have added,
Because
no.
there is no value.
I have written, no, 3. Yes.
No at the answer.
Answer.
Means not there.
This
There
is
are
fourth
two-
condition. This is the next steps.
There are 0. So she is asking why you had not done 3 there.
Okay. I have not done here. Yeah. Here is right. It is.
No, ma'am. At the last there are 0, so she is asking why you had not
उसको थोड़ी
added
करेंगे
3.
बेटा.
0 is not.
Yes, because there are 3.
Yes.
Means
Can I
because there
erase
are
it?
0.
Yeah, because there are
No
0.
value.
Can I erase it? Can I give you the another sum with the same conditions? Question number 3. Parcel weight. Parcel weighing 350 grams. Conditions are the same which you have written according to the here. First condition is 50 grams or less than 50 grams will be rupees 4. Second is for every additional 50 grams,
I'm 6.
rupees 3. बेटा हमेशा ध्यान रखना एडिशनल पे थोड़ा कम होता है, फर्स्ट पे ज्यादा होता है. 50 grams or less than 50 grams rupees 2, and for every additional 50 grams rupees 3. Find out the answer.
I'm 7.
No. Is there any child who has completed?
Yes, ma'am, I have completed. I'm calculating the total rupees.
I want Varija, Janya, Rishik. They have to do it. But Rishik is sitting with the camera off. Rishik,
Ma'am, in the last online classes also he was putting his camera off only.
Rishik, please take care. Are you doing it? So I'll show me a notebook.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Show me your notebook, na? Take it up. I want to pin your work. Let me see. Nothing is visible. Completely blur. Huh. You are only writing the condition, only writing the sums. You are not solving them.
Ma'am,
मेरे लिए
because
लिखा है, I will come to home and solve.
no, ma'am, because at my house there the light was gone, so I left the class.
Rishik is not.
Ma'am, I got the total answer.
Okay. Please, Arnav, show me your notebook.
I'm
It is
confusing.
mute.
Ma'am, I have written, but I'm confusing. I'm so
What writed?
Ma'am, this one. So I write in last page and wrote my confusion solved, and I write in full page. So while I'm writing here page, this one page.
Ma'am, what he is telling?
Ma'am, I have confused.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Your screen is blurred and you're stuck.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am not
I don't
stuck.
know.
Not you, ma'am. Bye, Papa.
Ma'am.
And you will give me 1 minute, then only I will able to.
Ma'am, the answer is 22.
One have to leave 22 rupees.
Now I am visible.
Yes, ma'am, your answer is 22 rupees.
Okay.
Ma'am, when we will do solution?
Now we will do the solution of this. Please mute your mic. Someone is singing in the class. The child is thinking it's a music class. 350 minus 50 according to the first condition, rupees 4 on this. So now remaining is 300. Again minus 50 on this, you have to pay rupees 3 and remaining is 250. Minus 50, pay rupees 3 according to it. Second conditions, rupees 200 is left. Then again minus 50, 150, then 300. Mute your mic. $150, right? And from 150 minus 50 is 100 according to the second condition, rupees 3. Again minus 50 is rupees 53. Again minus 50, nothing, here 3. So what is the total? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Is there any child who got the answer 22?
Yes, ma'am, I got.
Navya, you?
Yes, I got 22.
22. Is there any child who got less than 22? If your answer is rupees 22, then your answer is correct. Put a right tick and give smiley to yourself. So again, I'm announcing here that you have your CT on Monday. Prepare. Tomorrow is holiday for the new year.
Ma'am, can I make my own sum?
Yes, please. Now make your own sum and own condition. अपनी खुद की conditions पे price रखकर एक sum बनाओ and tell me. We will discuss here. Everyone make your own sum now. Own conditions, own prices. Make it and tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We can use odd numbers also.
You can do any number.
Okay.
Price also any. Because your weight can come in any of the number, no? Write in the chat box if you want to give me any sum. Can anyone try?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, parcel weighing 750 grams.
Okay.
So first condition is 50 grams or less than 50 grams is equal to rupees 4.
Huh.
And second condition, for every additional 50 grams is equal to rupees 2.
Okay.
So
Ma'am,
750 minus 50 is equal to 650.
700, no?
Oh yes, sorry, 700.
On this, they will charge 4 rupees.
Yes.
Now,
Then
additional
50.
50 grams, they charge 2 rupees.
So it will be 650.
Okay. Then,
Then we have to write 50 and we have to give rupees 2, and we have and it is 600.
okay.
Then minus 50
Huh.
and we have to give rupees 2.
Huh.
So the answer will be 550.
Okay, I carry over here 550.
So we have to minus 50 again,
Huh.
and we have to give 2 rupees.
Yes.
So the answer is 500,
Okay.
and we have to again minus 50 from it, and we have
For
to,
A, you have to come at 12:20 in the HRM also. Okay?
okay ma'am.
So,
ma'am, about reading slot.
So it is
reading teacher will give you the message.
Then we have to do 50 again, and we have to give 2 rupees.
Huh.
So the answer will be 400. Then again we have to minus 50 from it. The answer will be 350. Then
It
again.
is so long. Keep on doing and find the answer and give me tomorrow. Okay?
ma'am.
Find the total price which you are doing in the circles and tell
Okay,
me
ma'am.
tomorrow.
Can I
Thank
give
you,
you on
students.
Monday?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I can also give on Monday. I am
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can I also?
Ma'am, bye, ma'am.
Write in your notebook.